You own a Milwaukee battery. This is a chainsaw that uses the battery. And if you don't have a Milwaukee battery, you could purchase the kit with the battery. So you have the option of no battery and battery. Check online for further details about the chainsaw you are after with this company. We're going to unbox the brushless power chainsaw 20 volt system. We're going to show you how to change out the blade and how to cut a nice size branch that we have outside. Now, in this box, what you're going to get and open up, nicely packaged, is your 6-inch chainsaw and guide. It tells you everything about your chainsaw and how to go about it. It has a chain guard and also protects your hand. You pull out the chainsaw. It's nice and small. It's the size of my elbow to my hand. Got the blade. It's got the chain guard. It's got a guard around here so you don't hurt yourself. It has a safety mechanism that you must press the button, right hand only, right here, and press. If you're a lefty, it works out the same way. You press with the inside of your finger. This area of interest is a bolt that you take off to remove the guard and change your blade. This is where your battery goes, some vent holes on both sides, and the battery indicator will most likely be on the battery itself. I brought you up nice and close to show you that you get your precision Phillips screwdriver, your right angle ratchet socket, oil for your chain, an additional thumb bolt, a spare 6-inch mini 1/4 chain, your power supply, and a battery, and a spare compartment for the battery over here. That if you have 2 batteries, just simply take out, put the second battery in. The only thing you don't get with the kit is safety glasses. Over here you see a green light to the power source and the area that you're going to plug in your cable. When the red turns green, you're fully charged. So while that's charging, we'll do our best to change out our chainsaw. Take note of the way the chain is going. Narrow, wide, narrow, wide. Keep the narrow to the back and the wide to the front. You're going to take the right angle socket, loosen up, take the guard off. You're going to take this out right here by lifting up and out, and the safety tab off. Over here is your tensioner. So this way you loosen one direction, tighten the other direction. I'm going to turn mine and loosen counterclockwise. If you ever need to oil, you take your chain off, you put oil in here, put your chain back on with the narrow in the back, wide in the front, and you're going to hold, line on the gears, and place the actual little notch area that we loosened up over here into the hole. Pull forward, hold, and clockwise turn. Don't over tighten. And to change the fall in and tighten up. A little play is what you need. Place the cover back on. Place the nut back on. Take the thumb nut, slide on and over, and lock down. If and when ready to test your chainsaw, simply slide in the battery, your Milwaukee battery or the supplied battery. Press the on button, you're fully charged. Safety tip release, hands away, start up. We are now ready to go outside and go cut our branch. Sliding in the battery is simple as giving a tap, pulling and releasing. The charging area is located here, and the on and off is located over here. The trigger to operate and the safety button, the 6-inch chain, the thumb bolt or nut, the safety guard, and hand guard. It is a brushless system. It is a smooth operating system. It'll cut for many hours on end. Let's go cut that branch and see how buttery smooth it is. I have my glasses and I have my earpiece. Let's go cut. Just making a few cuts shows you how the chainsaw works, how buttery smooth it goes through a 3-inch log. If you're looking to cut anything, branches, small trees, check out the chainsaw 20 volt if this one is right for you. I hope you enjoy your product. Very easy to handle, easy to operate, everything you need to do your gardening needs. Enjoy your chainsaw if this is right for you. Batteries not included on one. Milwaukee batteries will be used on them, or purchase the one that supplies the battery that will work for your unit. So check out your Milwaukee batteries that will fit this chainsaw. I hope you enjoy your product. Thanks once again for viewing.